Oh, wow. Trees can talk, just not the way you think. Have you ever wondered what lies beneath the forest floor? It's a hidden world of fungi, connecting tree roots in a vast underground web. This wood wide web allows trees to share nutrients and communicate. They warn each other of danger and even help sick neighbors survive. A mother tree can recognize her offspring, feeding it carbon directly. The forest isn't silent. It's whispering in a language older than words. Every rustle and creak is a conversation, a connection, a community. So next time you walk through the woods, listen closely.